Plasser South Africa is to mechanize maintenance of the railway track. Our main clients are Transnet and Plasser in South Africa, but also do work for other railway administrations within SADC. And we have got a division now called P&T Africa, which is a manufacturing part of our business, also based in Maritzburg's Dow Mill. And we manufacture machines from scratch and sell those both to Africa and to the Southern Hemisphere. And so we are busy with machines that we are doing for those parts of the world. And we are hoping to get some more work as well. We have put up tenders for work within Africa and also in Japan and places like Australia, in Brazil. SARA is a subsection of SADC. It is an organ of SADC. And as you know, SADC is always working to make sure that the region works together in unity, supporting one another, helping one another, making sure that we grow together. And so SARA, when we meet at all times, and even between our board meetings, there are committees that are there to ensure that that happens, so that as a region, as SADC, SARA being the railway part of SADC, we always ensure that that is achieved as much as possible, so that it's not only South Africa which is doing very well, or Zambia or Tanzania, but all of us together. We want to make sure that everything is seamless and all of us grow and work together. It is important for industry players to interact, to come together and share ideas about their companies and about the industry as a whole. And that makes us to be better people, better companies and better economies from our different countries. And as such, I would like to implore and urge everybody to come and be part of the SARA conference so that we can always come together and share ideas and grow. And this call is to both existing role players and future role players. There is no forum that really makes us to be in touch and physical touch with who we deal with. And I believe that us as suppliers, service providers to the railway administrators and to the private sector, which is the mines mainly, when we are there, we get an opportunity to see them and interact with them. And so I would like to make a call to everybody, existing and future potential role players, to please make it a point that they organize themselves to be at the SARA conference in October, so that they are not left behind in terms of what is happening. In the past, I have said, when I've said this, that walala, wasala, you snooze, you lose.